Hi there, I'm Josie from Hobsons Bay Libraries and welcome to this instructional video on how to make your own snow globe as part of our stay-at-home school holiday program. Welcome to winter. Brr, it's cold. Let's celebrate by making a snow globe. Now, if you have requested one of these kits, you should get this ready to go snow globe kit. You can just twist off the lid like that. And as you can see in the middle, there's this empty space where we can put whatever we like. You can put leaves, you can put flowers, you can put photos. Today I'm going to cut and paste some pictures from magazines and put them together into a lovely collage. To begin with, I'm going to take a thick piece of paper, something nice and strong, and I'm going to trace the shape of the snow globe. And I'm going to end up with an arch shape with a straight line at the bottom like this. This will be perfect. So then I will cut that shape out and I will start thinking about what I want in my collage. Now it's time to pick what pictures I'm going to put in my collage. Now you could draw things. As I'm doing a collage, I've cut and pasted lots of different pages out of magazines. All kinds of different things that I think will look good together. But you might have whatever you have lying around at home. Maybe you have some catalogues, newspapers, junk mail, whatever you've got, you can use. Maybe you've got a sticker book, maybe you've got a colouring book and you'd like to put some colouring in there, whatever you think is best. So here's a couple of ones I've made. So here I've cut out a picture, an illustration of a sloth. I put a pink backdrop around it to make it look a bit shiny. And then I've found an ad with some pictures of space and I've stuck that on there. Here's another one. I found a picture of a mountain landscape. Then I cut and pasted some real pictures of trees and stuck that in there. I might even find some real leaves and put that in there as well. And then here's a picture of two women at the beach. I'd love to go to the beach. So I'm going to put that in there and I've just put a little bit of pink backing so that there won't be any gaps when I put it in my snow globe. Time to put it all together. So I'm going to take my completed collage and pop it into my snow globe like that. Now, you might find you have to cut it down a little bit. Too easy, no problem. So I just pop it in there, pop the lid on, and there's my lovely snow globe. I hope you've enjoyed this. Have a wonderful school holidays.